Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be discussing about the express entry draw happened on January 19th. The draw number is 214. This draw was exclusively for provincial nominee program. If you are here for the first time, this channel is all about information on various topics which includes Canada migration and studies. So now let's get into the draw details. I mentioned the draw is exclusively for provincial nominee program or PNP. If you want to understand what is PNP, basically, it's for those who have received nomination from any of the provinces, say Alberta, Saskatchewan, Ontario, or any other province. Once you receive the nomination, you get 600 points in the express entry, wherein in the subsequent draws you will be invited. So this is one of the draw. So the number of invitations issued in this particular draw is 1036. The CRS score of the lowest rank candidate invited was 745. There is a tie-breaking rule which says that if more than one candidate has the lowest score, which is 745, then the cutoff is based on the date and time they submitted their express entry profiles. That is, if they have submitted their profiles on or before July 5th at this time, then they will be invited. Now let's discuss about the CRS score distribution of candidates in the express entry pool as of January 17th. You can see that there are around 196,685 candidates in the express entry pool. Also, you can see that the number of candidates corresponding to the CRS score range. For example, if you see 491 to 500, around 2,738 candidates are in the pool. If you see 481 to 490, 6,192 candidates are there. If you see 471 to 480, 14,828, which is a very huge number. Then if you see 501 to 600, which is a very high number, 5,106 candidates are in the pool. So a lot of candidates are there in the pool waiting for the FSW draw. So until next video, take care, bye.